First, switch on the heat pump by pressing on the switch button. When the heat pump is switched on, the work state changes from standby to heating, and the compressor and fan indicators switch from off to on, signaling that the heat pump is now active. The 60-degree temperature displayed on the homepage represents the set temperature, while the temp current below it indicates that the current water temperature is 24 degrees. To change the set temperature, simply drag the blue circle clockwise or counterclockwise to your desired temperature. Next, to change the working mode, click on the Eco button and select your desired mode. As for setting a timer, press on More. After that, press on Title and then press on Time. Next, select your desired time, end time by swiping up or down, and select water temperature. Once everything is done, press on Confirm. Finally, please note that the heat pump will automatically defrost when ice is detected. However, if the defrost function doesn't activate, you can manually turn it on by pressing on the defrost switch.